Okay, this is another video for geometric progressions of grade 11. Already I published many videos, I think 4 videos for GP. We'll see some more problems here in this video and then complete the chapter from this through this video. Right, next question, today's first problem. Find the value of x. Find the value of x if x plus 1, if x plus 1, comma, x plus 3 and x plus 7. Find the value of x if x plus 1, comma, x plus 3 and x plus 7 are consecutive terms of a GP. Are consecutive terms of a GP. Are consecutive terms of a GP. That means geometric progression. It's a simple question. If you work similar idea in the grade 10 arithmetic series, also same problems available. The word terms only different. That is AP, here GP. Okay, so these are 3 successive terms. Consecutive means what? 10th term, 11th term, 12th term. Or 5th term, 6th term, 7th term. Anyhow, 3 successive continuous terms. So what is GP? Common ratio equal is multiplied by a common term R. Therefore, to find the x value, you need an equation. So in this case, you build up an equation for a common ratio. What the method of finding common ratio? Second term divided by third term. X plus 3 divided by x plus 1. Another method of finding common ratio, how? Third term divided by the second term. X plus 7 divided by x plus 3. Okay, it's the way how to find the common ratio. Whatever common ratio method, they are finally equal. That's the idea. The same problem in the arithmetic series, common difference are equal. Now you prepare an equation, it become a quadratic equation. Multiple is here, is there, and rearrange the quadratic type. Multiple x plus 3 into x plus 3. It's multiple there. X plus 1 into x plus 7. Oh, now multiple the brackets, multiple the both brackets. X is all things square, and x plus 3 again x plus 3. It becomes x square plus 6x plus 9. Same here, multiple and see. X square 7x 1x 8x, right? Plus 1 times 7, 7. Take all this side, see here x square cancel, x square cancel. Here 9, take the 7 this side, minus 7. Here what? 8x, 6 that side, minus 6x. So the question is find the x value only. Further they can ask some parts, other parts also. Here only x value. 8x minus 6x, 2x. 9 minus 7, 2. X is 1. X equal 1, right? It's the method of answering such question. X equal 1. Right, similar problem that's in your book question now I am reading. Right, number 2, problem number 2. The first 3 terms of a GP, the first 3 terms of a GP are respectively show this 4, comma, x plus 3 and x plus 27. First 3 terms are provided. Right, first part, find the value of x. Find the value of x. Find the value of x. First part, find the value of x. Right, second part, show that there are 2 such GPs. Show that there are 2 such GPs show that there are two such GPs and find the first four terms of each. And find the first four terms of each. Okay, same problem what I shown earlier one. So first we complete the x value. The idea equate the common ratio, right? So here x plus 3 divide by 4 same as x plus 27 divide by x plus 3. Common ratio equating, this is the idea. Now cross multiple, this multiple here. X plus 3 into x plus 3. Here multiply 4 into x plus 27. You multiple the bracket x plus 3, x plus, multiple x plus 3, all things square or binomial method, or multiple the bracket. The answer is x square plus 6x plus 9 plus 9 multiplied by 4x plus here what 108. See, as I mentioned, it will become a quadratic equation. Your grade 10 idea of the quadratic. Take all that side and rearrange the pattern of the ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 form. So x square plus 6x, take the 4x that side minus 4x plus 9, take 108 that side minus 108 equal to 0. Therefore x square plus 6 minus 4 plus 2x plus 9 minus 108, but that minus 100, you subtract 9 equal to 0. Oh, but that must subtract this 99 equals. Now factorize. So here see not only GP knowledge but also solving a quadratic equation. Grade 10 maths quadratic. Multiple 99, 1 times 99, 3 times 33. I think 11 and 8. Okay, 11 and 9. 11 and 9. So factorize. If you factor it becomes what? X plus 11 into x minus 9 equal to factorize and go. I hope you can that. Multiple 0. So what the quadratic idea? 2 bracket 0 mean this is 0 or the other one is 0. Therefore x equal minus 11 and other one x equal 9. 2 x values are available for this question. So what do you mean 2 x value come? There are 2 GPs available. There are 2 chances for the geometric progression. That's they ask. So now you complete it. Show if x equal minus 11. If x equal minus 11, write the 3 numbers first. First number is 4. Both of the series first is 4. Comma, what the other one? Put x4 minus 11. Minus 11 plus 3. Minus 8. Okay, other one. Minus 11 plus 27. But it's minus 11 plus 27. 16. What happens? Multiply by 2. Multiply by 2, not multiply by 2. Minus 2. See? Multiply by minus 2. So the other one, minus 32. Multiply by minus 2. 64. And so on. They ask for each of series, show the first 4 numbers. First 4 terms. Next come if x equal 9. If x equal 9, what are the terms here? Put 4. x4 9. 9 plus 3 12. 9 plus n 36. Here what happened? Multiply by 3. Common ratio 3. So multiply by 3, 108. Multiply by 3, 324, and so on. That's the idea of that question, right? Right, next question number 3. Right, this next problem. Find the number of terms. Find the number of terms to be taken so that the sum of the GP 1 comma 2/3 comma 4/9 is 2 of 601 over 729. Find the number of terms to be taken so that the sum of the GP, show this 1 comma 2/3 comma 4/9 and so on, is that 2 of 601 over 720. The very important question, the idea, I like to show this because the students very fail. They feel very difficulties involving fractions. So how many terms should be added? I worked many questions in the previous videos, and newcomers, stop this, go my first video, first, second, third, and continuously follow. Then only you can get the big, huge knowledge in this such every lessons like here GP also. So we worked previous video, the summation idea, summation given how many terms to be added. So follow that one. So here very first we write the first term and the common ratio. Here A equal 1. What is common ratio? How it's multi, the idea how to find the common ratio, second term divide by the first, or third term divide by the second. I take the second term divide by the first. So 2 over 3 divide by 1 mean itself. So answer is 2/3, right? Common ratio 2 over 3. How this number? More than 1, no, greater, less than 1, greater than or less than 1. 2/3 is how? Smaller than 1. 2/3 smaller than 1. Therefore, you write the summation formula when common ratio becomes smaller than 1. So Sn equal A 1 minus r to the power n over 1 minus r is the most suitable formula here because r is less than 1. Now Sn is given. What is Sn? 2 of 601 over 729. That is Sn, right? That's equal to, what is A? A is 1. 1 minus, what is R? 2/3. Completely power n. N is missing. We don't know what is n. You have to calculate the n value. Over 1 minus R4 2/3. After this, okay, substitute here. After this, the important how to get the answer. So you have to work such problem before go to the final exams. At least you must work such a problem. Then only you feel, you remove your feeling that idea, the difficulties of fraction problem, everything you can neglect. Whatever, no matter, you can answer. That feeling you can take before the exam if you work such question. Now see the idea how I am showing the method. First we write this mixed fraction improperly. 2.5 means 5 over 2. 7.5 means 15 over 2. Let's just change this to multiple. What is that? 729 multiplied by 2, 18. Add 601. It's okay. 2059 over LCM 729. Okay, now here what? So this one into the bracket is bracket, so I won't show the 1 year after. 1, this bracket is an unknown part, so you keep as it is. 2/3 power n over, subtract the primary work. What is 1 minus 2/3? 1 minus 2/3 is what? 3 1/3. 1 minus 2/3 is 1/3, right? Every step is important here. I am showing all the necessary steps here. Hereafter, multiple. This 1/3 because that side division, that side multiple. So 2059 over 729 multiple 1/3. That side 1 minus 2 over 3 power n. Okay, so hereafter, you can't cut this, I think you can't cut that, no chance divide by 3, so multiple. 1 times is 2059. Here multiple 3 times 7, 27, 3 times 9 times 3, 2 remaining, 6 and 2, 8, 21. Okay, and here what happened? 1 minus 2/3 completely power n. Completely power n. See, very important question. So many mistakes happens if you work your own. Hereafter, take this one that side. Take this one that side. 2059 over 2187. This one this side minus 1. So here what? 2 over 3 power n. 2 over 3 power n. Okay, but this is wrong. 2/3 power n is wrong. Why wrong? What happened is minus. Some they don't mark that minus, then your answer is wrong. No pure maths. What happened to minus? We can't avoid that. So minus. Now using this LCM simplified, 2059 minus 2187 over that total LCM, that side, minus 2 over 3 completely power n. Okay, so now simplify here. The negative answer, the large number subtracted, therefore minus answer. Over that 17 means 8. Okay, here what 7, therefore 2. Is it 1? Minus 128, right? Over 2187. This side minus 2/3 completely power is n. And now both sides this minus cancel. You can remove that minus now, right? I show the step. 128 over 2187, 2/3 over n. Very important up to this step. This step correct only can get the answer. If you miss, the answer is wrong. So what the idea of indices? Here base is 2. Therefore try to show this also a familiar number. 2 to 7 times 2 to the power 7. Then 3 also becomes 7. No, if numerator, denominator completely a common power. It won't come different power. Here 5, here 7, like. So 2 to the power 7. Check 3 multiple 7 times and see this answer comes, right? Here 2/3, therefore this one. If you found the numerator, that's enough. Then you can try 2/3 completely power 7. Completely power n. Therefore the bases are same. Power is same. N equals 7. So I found in my experience nobody gets the very rarely the students collects the final answer. They come up to here, they stop, they jump to the new question, they go to the new problem to answer. They don't know how to solve hereafter. So very important, go step by step, study properly. Then every type of question, mostly GP problems, such questions, they are familiar problem in the GP lesson because so many fractions, they are summation. Summation, it won't come always a whole number. It become a fraction problem. Is the answer, right? Okay, right, similar, we look at the question, similar type. Right, today is my 4th problem. Write this 4th question. Find the number of terms. Find the number of terms find the number of terms to be taken so that the sum of the progression right is 3 comma minus 1 comma 1/3 and so on is 2 of 20 over 81. Same idea. 2 of 20 over 81. Find the how many terms to be needed to add it. So best thing, stop the video, try on, later you check with my answer. That's the best knowledge improving. Otherwise useless, you copy this my work, nothing happen, nothing improvements for any future problem, future exams. So pause the video, try on, we'll see what then comes answer. So very first we need the first term. A is 3. What is common ratio? What is common ratio? Second term divide by the first. Minus 1/3. Or third term divide by the second, find it. So it's very clear. We have a common ratio, negative answer smaller than 1. So there are some more suitable formula. Sn equal A 1 minus r to the power n over 1 minus r. So here Sn is provided, particular term summation is mixed fraction, 2 of 20 over 81. Here A is what? 3, first term is 3, 1 minus r4 minus 1/3 completely power n over what is below 1 minus r4 minus 1/3 r4 minus. Now simplify step by step, properly simplify, you will reach the highest, that means peak, the value, you get that what the n value to be. Here mixed fraction changed to improperly, 81 times 262 at the 20. What is that? 182 is it? Over 81. Here 3, 1, don't say minus minus plus. If there's a biggest power, without removing the power you can't work it. So show as it is, right? Minus 1/3 power n. Below it's okay. What happened? Minus minus plus. Minus minus plus. What is 1 plus 1/3? 1 plus 1/3 is that 4/3, 4/3, 4/3. Okay. Next multiple this here. 182 over 81 multiple 4 over 3 is equal to 3 into 1 minus minus 1/3 to the power n. Now try to, yes, you can cut it, multiply 2, 8, 32 over, okay, like this. Now take this 3 down, take the 3 down, multiple divide, multiple 3 equal 1 minus minus 1/3 to the power n. So very important solving. So now again multiply 3, 9, a famous number for us. See, once you come a particular step, hereafter it become a familiar path, right? So keep it, repeat it, keep in touch, work more problem, practice it. 1 minus minus 1/3 power n. So next step, as I shown the previous video, take this one this side, 728 over 729. This one that side minus 1 equal minus 1/3 power n. So here what happens, simplify using the primary work, fraction addition, multiple here 728 minus 729 minus 1 over this, that side minus 1/3 to the power n. So every digits are important, every symbols are important. You can't remove this negative as you wish. As pure mathematics should be followed clearly. And now see what happened in this case. This minus and this minus cancel, right? The bracket we can't touch it. Outside minus cancel. Therefore 1 over 729 equal to minus 1/3 to the power n. Now follow a suitable indices method knowledge. Family number 3 to the power 7 times 3 times 3 9, 27, 81, 243 and 6 times. Okay, so can I write this one 1 over 3 power 6. Because of that side minus 1/3 3 there. How that answer? That is wrong. Important pure maths error. Very important error. What is that? We can't write our wish. Every symbol is important. Here see minus, but here not minus. Otherwise you can't make n equal 6 is wrong. Here base is minus 1/3. So show this also minus. Can? Yes. Even power. No matter minus for a even power. Power comes 10, 20, 8, minus multiple even number, positive, no? Therefore, show minus 1/3. Then only it's clear, otherwise wrong. Therefore, finally, bases equal, powers equal, n equal 6. So, 6 numbers to be added to get that fraction answer of the summation. Okay, it's the method, right? Okay, right, and the question number, I think 4th problem. For the 5th question, today's 5th problem, write this. The nth term of a progression. The nth term of a progression is 3 into 2 to the power n plus 1. The nth term of a progression 3 into 2 to the power n plus 1. Right, first part, show that this is a GP. Show that this is a GP. Show that this is a GP. Right, second part, find, write this second part, find the first 4 terms. Find the first 4 terms. Find the first 4 terms. See another question, idea. Similar type, then the arithmetic series also, they will give the nth term. See, their sentence they use, nth term of a progression. In final paper, you don't know is it GP or AP. That's why such a, but here my continuous chapter under GP. So final paper, we don't know is a GP or AP. That's why they pronounce that word. Nth term of a progression. But we have to mention which is whether AP or GP. What the idea of such problem? You find few terms. So nth term means Tn. Nth term means Tn. So for the best answer method, you see couple of terms. Put n for 1. Put n for 1. T1 equal 3 into 2 to the power 1 plus 1. Now simplify this. 3 into 2, 1, 1, 2. 2 square 4. 4 times 3, 12. First term is 12. Put n for 2. n for 2, second term, 3 times 2 to the power 2 plus 1. So what is that? 3 into 2 to the power 2 and 1, 3. What is 2 to the power 3? 2 into 2 into 8. 8 times 3, 24. Oh, you see the third term also. But it's very clear. See, first is 12, 24. What happened? Multiply by 2. Multiply by 2. So 48. Multiply by 2. Then you tell this series by multiply. This series continuous by multiple by 2. Therefore, this is a geometric series. If they ask, you must tell. Otherwise, say common ratio. Common ratio 24 by 12. That's 2. Everywhere common ratios are equal. This series multiple by 2 or common ratio is 2. Therefore, this is a geometric series. Therefore, show the all answers. They ask write the first 4 terms. That's the first 4 terms problem. Okay, we'll see another question. Write this. The sum of n terms of a GP. The sum of n terms of a GP. Sum of n terms of a GP is 3 to the power n minus 1. 3 to the power n minus 1. Find the first 3 terms of the progression. Find the first 3 terms of the progression. Find the first 3 terms of the progression. Other para. Find the sum of 8 terms of this series. Find the sum of first 8 terms of this series. Find the sum of first 8 terms of this series. Okay, see the first time that also summation formula, not the Tn formula. Sn is given. So we have general formula Sn equal AR to the power n minus 1 over R minus 1. That is generally. Up to finish this problem, we have to use this formula, this Sn formula. Summation is given. So find the first 3 terms. So like the previous idea, previous problem, put some value, put n for 1. N for 1. What is n for 1 here? S1. S1 means one number addition. One number addition means that is one term, only one term. So 3, put n for 1, 1 minus 1. Okay. So what is that? 3 to the power 0. Sum of one number is 1. That means first term is 1. Put n for 2. Put n for 2. 3 to the power 2 minus 1. 3 to the power 1. That is 3. That is second term. Not second term important. Sum of the 2 numbers. Sum of the 2 numbers is 3. We'll come to the part. Put n for 3 also. Sum of 3 numbers. Sum of 3 numbers. 3 to the power. Put n for 3. 3 minus 1. So what is that? 3 to the power 2. What is that? 9. Now if they ask write the first 3 terms. If you say 1, 3, 9. This is wrong. This is wrong, very important. This is not a term problem, summation problem. Therefore, what are the 3 terms? First term is 1, it's okay. S1 means only one term addition. That is 1. What is second term? What do you mean S2 is 3? S2 is 3 mean what? 2 number addition is 3. 2 numbers addition. First two numbers addition is 3. So first number is 1. Therefore, second number is 2. First 2 addition is 3. What is S3 means? Sum of 3 numbers. So first 3 addition is 9. But the third number therefore here 3, therefore 6. I hope you understood clearly. So this is wrong. So what the series? Multiply 3. 1, multiply 3, multiply 3, multiply 3, multiply 3, and so on. This is the series. So next I ask, find the sum of 8 numbers. Find the sum of 8 number. So you can't go to your formula. You can't use the r to the power n minus 1 over r minus 1. You can't. You use, they provide the formula. The best thing, follow this formula. Sn equal 3 to the power n minus 1. So sum of 8 terms. So S8. 3 to the power 8 minus 1. That is 3 to the power 7. So we multiple 3, 9, 27, 81, 243, 729. So I successfully complete this geometric series. First I complete the graph lesson successfully. You can definitely answer 10 marks in the graph. Similar in the future geometric series. Keep in touch. More problems than in your book. Try it yourself. And you can work any no problem than these questions what I shown in my all 4 videos. We'll see a new chapter in the future video. Keep in touch. So those subscribe, newcomers, subscribe, press the bell sign. Then you'll receive automatically all my attractive videos for all levels.